How much are attorney fees? No one wants to be in an accident and then get stuck footing the bill. An attorney on your side can significantly increase your odds of receiving maximum compensation. But which one should you choose? The one with a low fee or the one with a strong track record? How do lawyers get paid anyway? If your lawyer works on contingency, you pay nothing as they work on your case. If they win, they take a percentage. Most collect between 25 and 40%. So you want the one with the cheapest fee, right? Wrong. It's likely more important to choose who you believe will get you the maximum settlement and the most money in your pocket. For example, 25% of a $50,000 settlement leaves $37.5 thousand, while 40% of a $100,000 settlement means $60,000 is still left. At James Scott Farrin, we charge an industry average 33% for our personal injury cases, and, most importantly, have a reputation for getting great results. Since our firm began, we've helped tens of thousands of injured people recover hundreds of millions of dollars in total compensation, and counting. And if we don't recover for you, you pay no attorney's fee at all, guaranteed. To see what your case may really be worth, call 866-900-7078 today.